So I really thought that I'll be able to kanang makasya lang siya into 2 videos pero hindi pala. So yeah, this is going to be a 3 video lesson. So we ended with the expanded basic accounting equation. So we have assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity, where owner's equity could be obtained by solving capital minus drawing if there is withdrawals plus the result of revenue minus expenses. Revenue minus expenses equals to income, and that income should be added into the equity, shareholders' equity. Ano ba yung revenue? It's the total sales of a business within a reporting period. Ano ba yung income? These are the, I mean, ano ba yung expenses? These are the outflows of assets resulting from the sale of goods. Kung ano yung binenta mo, ano yung cost ng binenta mo, those are the expenses. So let's proceed to the problem exercise. We have asset equals liabilities plus owner's equity. If you, anong tawag doon? If you compare the material that I have uploaded with this problem exercise, I actually deleted number 3 and 4 because that was a faulty problem. It lacks, kulang yun ng mga information pa for us to solve. So yeah, let's just make this simple. Number 1, if the asset is 240,000, the liabilities is 120, then the owner's equity should be 120 also because of course we now know that asset equals liabilities plus equity. Then number 2, if the liabilities and equity amounts to 110,000 and 40,000 respectively, of course the asset should be 150,000. Yun lang yun. That's that is how you use the asset equals liabilities plus owner's equity equation. And the following lesson, though, magiging complex na yan siya because there will be a lot of transactions. You will have to identify the elements, kung ano yung transaction, if it involves asset, liabilities, or owner's equity, or could be income or expenses. We will go through that phase in the upcoming lessons. So for the module requirements, you are hereby mandated or to answer all the tasks on the application part of the module. So, doon sa module, di ba, merong application part. Lahat ng task doon, you are required to answer it. So, yeah, please observe the deadline. And I hope you learned something for this lesson. And yeah, see you next lesson.